we do have warrants for their arrest and theft, so we're in the process of.
I do have warrants for my arrest.
But
And I'm going to be in there for a long time. Can I write your phone number down? Because I'm on probation. I'm going to end up having to spend a lot of time in jail. Mommy. Well, I'm going to get off here because I think they're getting ready to put me in cuffs.
What is up, everybody? So this woman stole from Walmart. She didn't check out. She's going through the self-checkout and missed a couple items. And she's already on probation. And when they caught her stealing, she just left the store and left her kids in the store with her friend. Let's check this out.
you're the friend? Gotcha.
I was just stopping to do the apprehension. I'm trying to get a pregnancy right now to see exactly how much. She had told her to come over to watch the kids, and she kept walking out the door, so she tried to stop her.
Okay. So did she ask you to watch the kids? She didn't just like walk off?
She pointed to the kids, so I'm assuming that was come watch the kids, but I did not hear what she was saying when she left. I did.
Gotcha.
Over there, this is adult conversations, not child.
Yep, it sounds like she has a lot of theft history based on what we found. So, what's your plan? Are you gonna take them back to
I
our
will take
house?
them
Or?
with me. I'm not gonna abandon them.
Yeah, we're fine with releasing them to you as long as we can have her verbally say that. So otherwise, we're gonna have to go with Children's Services.
I'm not letting them go with children.
If we can't get a hold of her, we have to have actual permission.
Now, you know she's not coming back, right?
I understand that. How did you guys get here?
I drove.
Okay, you drove everybody?
Yes.
How did she get
She's walking somewhere.
here? She's on foot.
Okay. Where she went, I don't know. Like I said, I was pointed to the kids.
Gotcha. So
Can we go out here so that they're not listening to everything? Sorry, she's got anxiety.
well, you're fine. This officer is just gonna make sure to stay with them. Just give her a phone call. Our main concern is the kids.
Like, I kind of want to see what kind of car this woman drives because there's a lot of kids. Does she have car seats? That's a lot of. She's asking a lot just taking these kids while her friend is off doing whatever.
Whatever. She's got warrants. She's got charges of theft. I don't care. I want to make sure her kids are safe.
I will do that. Hey, I'm here with the officer. They want verbal consent that I can take the kids.
All right, just so you're aware, my name's Sergeant Williams, New York City Police Department. I only briefly spoke with my officer here, but it sounds like you just left your kids here after you committed a theft and decided to run away. So what we're going to do is we're going to file warrants for theft. We're going to file warrants for child endangerment for each one of your kids that you decided to abandon here, and then we're going to also charge you with contributing to the delinquency of a minor for a theft while in the presence of your kid. At this point, I appreciate your verbal consent. I'm not so sold on it. I can't verify who you are. I have no information for you. So all I have is a name and a phone number. So what I'm likely to do is I'm going to have to take the kids to Children's Services and have a legal guardian pick them up from there.
My best friend can't take them?
No. The easiest way for this whole thing to have went down is would you have got a piece of paper and a summons and showed up to a court date. Can't see who you are. You abandon your kids like this. No, I'm not one for favors or believing somebody who is willing to leave their kid to believe that these kids are theirs or who they are. So you want to show back up and receive your paperwork and your summons for your future court date.
The sergeant is laying down the hammer, and good for him. Good for him.
Fine with that. Otherwise, no. Children are going to go to Children's Services.
So if I show up, I'm just going to get a charge. I'm not going to go to jail.
Yeah, that's the whole plan. You get a summons, you have a court date, we verify who you are and make sure that you are the person that you say. We'll give you a summons for the theft. You'll be on your way.
Okay, well, I'm going to come back over there then.
Okay, that's probably for the best. I really don't want anything bad for your kids here, so.
Yeah, I just don't want to go to jail either. I didn't mean to. I wasn't trying anything wrong.
All right, I understand. We'll talk to you here in just a second.
Okay.
All right.
Now, I do want to know honestly because I do have the kids. Is she going to jail?
I don't, if she shows up in the next reasonable amount of time, the only thing that prevents her from going to jail and not just being issued charges, does she have some crazy warrants that are
No,
still?
I don't know. I don't know
So
that
that's
she has warrants. I don't believe so.
okay. So that's what prevents
It's
us.
only.
That's what prevents us with thefts like this from issuing someone a summons.
176.
Unless they're repeat offenders that we just deal with all the time, or just consistently have thefts across their record that we have to keep telling them to stop stealing in the city. People walk out of here with summons.
Okay.
I mean, this would be our like a fifth one today from here.
Okay. I'm concerned because, you know, I do have the kids, and like I was telling him, the one has anxiety.
So-
she can't do it.
I know, and it's terrible.
She does have 2 possible warrants for theft. Here's the
Of course
deal.
she
Come
does.
down here. Likely, if those are verified, we will have to make an arrest. But if she is here and we can verbally see, okay, this is her, we can release the kids to you.
But nothing's been verified yet. So on the very worst end of this, she has to go to jail and you get the kids because we're able to verify who she is and that she's okay to send the kids with you. Speaking to somebody over the phone, not being able to see their face, having no ID on them, not being able to verify, like, they've seen mom has seen them, like, yeah, that's my mom, yeah, that's my kids. Hey, yeah. How do I just send somebody
I
away with
completely
kids?
understand.
So,
But I just want to be prepared because she's going
Yep.
to freak out, and like I said, I have to control the kids.
And even if that's the case, we don't want to go and traumatize kids, right? So I can have you take kids to the car, but let her give them hugs, say, hey, you're going to stay the night with you for a little bit. I have to go talk to somebody, and not even have them see her get put in handcuffs or in the back of a car or anything. We can deal with all of that. None of that is an issue for us. And that, again, is on the far worst side of things. On the other end, if the warrants are no good, then they're no good, and you all go home and she gets the paper summons and is out
I'm
here.
hoping that's how it goes.
And suspect is now back at Walmart. We're making contact with him. Yep. Now that you're here.
I'm
the
sorry, I
seizure-
shouldn't have ran. I should have just waited for you guys. I just got a little nervous, and
Yeah,
I've been in trouble for theft before. I'm not gonna lie to you. And
Gotcha.
I've been clean a year. You know, I've been out of jail a year. I haven't gotten any trouble.
Gotcha.
So I just got a little nervous, and I didn't know what to do. So
You don't have any weapons or anything
No.
on you?
Can
You're
I
not,
give-
you're
no.
not going to take off on us, anything
No,
like
no,
that?
no.
Okay. If you do, we'll
clearly
probably
there'll be
catch
no
you.
charge. Yeah.
So what we're going to have you do is they'll come out.
Yeah, will you hold my phone?
Yes,
I'll hang up on it.
So we do have your consent to let your friend
Whoop.
take all of your
How
children.
about not to the
Yeah.
road?
Okay.
Am I gonna be arrested?
Step over here.
I
You do have
stand
warrants for your
close
arrest
to
for
Yeah.
theft. So we're in the process of
I do have warrants for my arrest.
We're in the process of verifying them with Franklin County. If you do have these warrants, you will be going to jail. And
Okay, yeah, I shouldn't have any
we're
warrants.
going to have to check. Have you ever missed a court date before for this stuff, or you just...
Mm-mm, no, I've been done with court. I am on probation. I'll be honest with you.
Gotcha.
But I know when you pull up my name, it says
Okay, she's on probation. She's going to jail. Like, that's all there is to it. She's going to jail. If she's on probation, they have to take her to jail. It's not like, oh, she violated her probation. No, if she's on probation, she's going to jail. Now she can go to jail, arrested, get booked, and released, but they're definitely going to take her in if she's on probation.
there's a red mark by it. It says check docket for processing a payment.
What's your probation for? Is it also for theft?
Yeah.
There's no way that we can cut this that you won't go to jail, at least for tonight.
I
Even if
just said that.
these warrants come back and they're not good because of your priors, because you're on probation, I can't just release you with a summons. It will have to be jail tonight.
I will
No.
take them overnight.
Why my mom can't take them?
I will take them.
Can I call?
Saying overnight.
Okay, I'm on probation. I'm gonna get a probation violation.
Right, and I understand that, but again, it sort of comes with the territory, right? You're an adult, you made an adult decision. There's not a whole lot more that I can do for you there, okay?
You know how long I should usually sit for this one probation violation? I mean, it's gonna be more than one, isn't it?
I don't know how this is going to work. Again, if it, I'm
Can I
not an
call my
expert.
mom?
I'm not an. Yeah, I'll let you make any phone calls that you want, but
Gee, and I'm gonna be in there for a long time. Can I write your phone number down?
we'll get phone numbers and
We'll get
everything
all
for people you
situated.
to contact.
Can she at least have the groceries so we're paid for?
Yes, we already got that situated.
What we're going to do at this point right now, I'm not going to put you in handcuffs at the moment.
Okay.
I'm going to let you tell your kids that they're going to be staying the night with her.
Or do you want me to just take them?
I don't want to tell them goodbye.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a moment to calm down because obviously we don't want to scare your kids or anything. We want them to come out and see mom as normal. So take a moment, collect yourself, and we'll have them come out, and then they're going to go with her, okay?
Okay, can you call my mom on your phone? My phone's a T's on it. Tell them I'm going to jail. I'm gonna be in there for. Do you know how long you think? I mean,
I don't know. So you say you have a probation for, is it also theft?
yeah, but it's from Delaware County, but it's been transferred here. I don't.
Why is she stealing when she has probation? Always the fucking idiots that get caught. Always the idiots. Fuck,
How that
man.
works.
I mean, I honestly wasn't trying to steal. I was waiting for them. Like, I even offered to pay for it. I mean, I know probably because I'm running those probably ways where you want to
They're never trying to steal, and they always offer to pay for it after they're caught. All of them. All of them.
take me to jail. Mom, I'm going to jail. Because I was scanning stuff at Walmart. I honestly forgot to scan something because the kids were distracting me and they caught me. And because I'm on probation, they're taking me to jail. Mommy, I need...
Can you keep it down just a little bit? You're making the scene.
It's okay, I'm with Deanna. Deanna has the... Sorry. Deanna has the kids, but there's no way to get around it because I'm on probation. I'm going to end up having to spend a lot of time in jail. Mommy. No, Mommy, I need you right now.
So Mom's not going to come out here. What we can do for you, I can take Mom's phone number. You can give her a call from the jail. So just tell her what's going on and give me your phone number.
Please help me. Okay. All right. Please do. All right. I love you too. Bye. Your number. Can I finish my phone call real quick by chance? It's my boyfriend. He's in prison. I just want to let him know that I'm coming with you guys.
Give me his phone number. You can make a call.
I can't call him. He's in prison. Yeah. Can I just tell him goodbye and I love him?
Oh my God. Oh my God, this just gets worse. What a fucking loser. Oh, I wonder if the boyfriend is the father of all those kids. Like, she has a whole fucking load of kids. Jeez.
Wait, please.
A second.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get off here because I think they're getting ready to put me in cuffs. But I need to say goodbye to the kids. Do you think it'll look good on me that I'm in rehab still and everything, and they might give me a second chance? All right. I love you. All right. Bye. Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm so mad at myself.
Talk to them and say whatever.
I'm not gonna be in there long, though. I hopefully promise. I don't know. All they did is I honestly forgot to scan a few items, girls, and I had the food stamps to pay for them, and it's gonna be okay, Sophia. It's gonna be okay. I'm sorry, guys. Let me stop crying. Deanna's gonna take you home with her, okay?
She's just got to go talk to somebody, and that's it.
These kids have been through this before. That little girl had a look on her face like, whatever. This happens all the time. These kids, this is not the first time they've seen their mother go to jail. So I don't know why they're trying to protect them from this. These kids are used to this now. They are used to this.
Yeah.
And then she'll be back to see you again. So
Now, if
not like she's going anywhere super far.
I love you guys. It's stay strong. It's gonna be all right. I'm not in big trouble this time.
They verify.
Yeah.
All right. So at this point, just turn around, put your hands behind your back. We're gonna use several sets of cuffs on you. That way, it's not super uncomfortable.
When people are cooperative, we try to use two sets.
I probably won't be booked until like tonight, but
I will call whatever
right.
pops up.
Call my mom now and let her know.
Alrighty.
We're gonna go over here. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. I'm sorry, my mind is. I'm upset with myself. Like.
NJ 2C.2011 defines shoplifting to include.
That's one of the most annoying AI voices I've ever heard. So I'm just going to read this, what it says to you guys. New Jersey shoplifting statute explicitly includes the fraudulent use of manipulation of self-checkout to avoid payment. Items valued under $200 constitute as a disorderly person's offense, carrying up to 6 months in county jail and $1,000 fine. And the threshold for a fourth-degree indictable offense begins at $200. So basically, if she stole more than $200 worth of stuff, they are going to put her in jail. I don't think she did in this case. Sounds like she didn't scan a couple items, but over time, over all the other shit that she's done and all the other shoplifting times that she's been caught with, it adds up. It adds up. She's on probation, so that adds up.
Lawful taking.
Let's see what else they okay.
Caught 2C20.
These AI voices are fucking dumb. Endangering a welfare child. Well, okay, yeah, she used the kid play under in the circumstances that may endanger the child's health and morals. So, definitely endanger the child's morals by getting caught stealing while you're with your kids. Let's see if there's anything more in this.
4.4 criminalizes any parent or guardian who causes or permits.
Okay, we get that. Yeah.
36.
Okay, custodial interrogation. Okay, whatever. All right, he's just going over was the Miranda rights read or not, whatever. This was a train wreck of a woman, and I feel bad for those kids. Those kids are starting their lives in a very rough situation. They've got terrible role models. The mother in and out of jail. Sounds like the father's in prison. This is those kids, pray for those kids because I hope those kids all turn out okay. These people, I tell you, like the biggest idiots in in the country always end up having babies, getting caught for stealing. Man, such a disappointment. This one is it's funny to watch, but it's sad. It's also really sad because those kids are involved, and I feel for those kids. She had a lot of kids too, a lot of kids. How many kids are there in this room? There's like, okay, there's this one here, 1, 2, 3, the stroller, 4. This one's getting blurred out. 5, 6 kids. She's got 6 kids. Let me count that again. 1, this guy over here. 1, this big guy. 2, the baby's being blurred out. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one with the anxiety. 6 kids. Maybe 1 or 2 of them belong to the friend. I don't know. But she's got 6 kids. Let's just call it like it is. She's got 6 kids. Dad's in prison. I'm assuming the boyfriend is these kids' dad. Prison. She's going back to jail. Fuck, man. Fuck, I feel for these kids. I really, really do. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. All right. This one's a bummer. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace out.